Rotate back to the partner starting with the left leg. Rotate counterclockwise, left leg, right, left, right. End up facing the partner, placing your hands around his neck. Then rotate even more, standing on the right leg to end up with your right side to the man. From that point, we're going into the dip. Bend the right knee, keep the left leg straight. Lead your hips up to the ceiling, avoid the feeling of sitting down, and tilt your upper body backward. You can lead your left hand to the side and follow it with your gaze. Avoid pulling the man with you. Try staying within your own balance as much as you can. Remember that the more you bend the knee, the deeper you can go into the pose. Remember to keep your back straight, flex your core muscles while you're rotating. Take small steps, left, right, rotation. Place the hands around the partner's neck and fluently go into the dip. Let's now focus on the man's perspective. First of all, lead the partner into the rotation. First, you will gently pull with your right hand, leading the partner in front of yourself, not onto you. That's very important. First, pull the hand gently, then draw a shape of a small circle in the air with your palm. This rotation is an impulse for the lady to start the spin. Some compare it to making a pizza pie, some compare it to drawing a shape of a six because you're first pulling, then drawing the circle. Second of all, and it's going to be universal whenever you're leading the lady, don't just pull the lady staying in one place yourself. Transfer your body weight to the lady as you're leading the lady toward yourself. Thanks to this, the motion is more fluent and you have a better connection. Onto the right leg, prepare the hands around the lady's waist. Then together with the lady's last step, you will transfer the body weight back onto the left leg and bend the left knee, leading the lady into the dip. During the dip, it's very important not to lean over the lady. You need to stay within your own balance and create a counterweight for the lady. Bend the left knee, the right leg can stay straight. Remember to keep your back straight as well. And in order to go deeper into the pose, you will bend the left knee and straighten your arms. Do not lean over the lady because it actually doesn't look very good, and also you're more likely to lose the balance. One more tip, rotate your body counterclockwise. Thanks to this, you will be more stable and you can reach further in the pose. Let's do this again, fluently, together at the same time. Transfer the body weight, bend the knee, go into the pose, and lead the lady out of the pose. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3,